This 5-minute solution will show you how to remove Yahoo search engine from Chrome browser. So if you search anything in your Chrome browser, you see your browser is using the Yahoo search engine. Don't worry, you can change Yahoo search engines in just a few steps. So first of all, open your Chrome browser and click on this three dot and click on settings. Click on the search box and type here search engine, and here you will get the search engine option. So click on this drop down and select Google, and quickly after doing this, your search engine will be changed from Yahoo to Google. So that's how we can do it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.